Hi, I'm Clara Graziolino and I'm a ceramic artist and Kintsugi expert. Part of my work is to create sculptures, ceramics installation for galleries and international interior designers. You can find my art in cities such as Los Angeles, New York, Madrid and Milan. Kintsugi is the ancient Japanese art of restoring broken pottery and transform it in something unique. The fractures are connected and highlighted with gold. This technique embraces the beauty of imperfections, the breakage, the hidden story behind a piece. It is the birth of something new and stronger. Through Kintsugi, I can be content with the idea that life is ever-changing. In this Domestica course, I'm going to introduce you to Kintsugi, the art of restoring ceramics by using gold. As a final project, you will choose 2 ceramic pieces, break and rebuild them, using 2 different modern Kintsugi techniques. First, we learn how Kintsugi was born and the philosophy behind it. We look at the material we'll be using and how to choose our bowls for our Kintsugi projects. We will carefully break them using a piece of cloth and a hammer. I will show you how to document your process. I will then teach you how to make your first restoration project using the gold relief technique and adding some finishing touches. Once we have mastered this method, we will move on to a more complex one, the gold flush technique. I will show you how to restore your second bowl by gluing the broken pieces together, filling the gaps, sanding and sealing the rebuilt parts, and adding our gold paint. Finally, we will see all the uses we can give to our unique pieces and how to package our Kintsugi ceramics. At the end of this course, you will have learned how to create art from a fracture. You don't need any special knowledge to do this course. For the materials, we will be using gold dust, epoxy glue, brushes, sandpaper, and a coater. Embrace imperfect beauty. Let the object tell the story.